Hey everybody, this is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Where's the cold front? Right back here. And let's show you the timing of this cold front passing through the area. We had temperatures around 70 degrees. We'll get the official temperatures a little bit later on, but let me show you when the cold air hits the area. All right, this is 6 o'clock tonight. The cold front is expected to be just entering Lake Michigan, it looks like. And then let's go to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, the cold front is into western Michigan, and the temperature will go from the 60s to the 50s. Okay? And then let's go through the night. Okay, this is 11 o'clock at night. Here's the cold front. 50s, 40s coming in, 30s back off to the west. Here is 1 in the morning. Cold front coming into the eastern side, Saginaw, Flint area, Ann Arbor, and Detroit. And then by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, cold front will be on to the east. Temperatures in the 30s, temperatures in the 20s back to the west. So a much different weather pattern by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. And as that cold front comes through, wind gusts possible 40 to 50 miles an hour.